Wallow Noah teaches Josue Coco how to graph odd functions, find symmetric properties. Let's make some space here. We're going to provide you with two examples. Y equals X. Our next example is Y equals X to the third power. Both functions are considered odd functions. Let's begin to apply the shortcut. Negative X to the first power equals negative X. Next example. Negative X to the third power equals negative X to the third power. Now we go ahead and apply the shortcut of Y equals f of X. Function is an odd function of X if f of negative X equals negative X, negative f of positive X. Excuse me. For every X in the function's domain. Let's give you a rough graphing of odd functions. Here's our y-axis. Here's our x-axis. Label the origin here, 0, and apply the shortcut. Recall that the power will classify if it is considered an odd function. So we have a curved line on our first quadrant curving upwards to infinity. Next we have the same line crossing the origin, curving downwards to negative infinity. We'll take any point within quadrant 1 and label it positive x and positive y. And repeat in quadrant 3. Let's make some space here. We'll label this second point in quadrant 3 negative x, negative y. Negative x, negative y. We have successfully applied the shortcut. Now we're able to classify the symmetric properties. Let's draw a linear line through the origin and define the symmetric property as symmetric about the origin. Let's make some space here. Once again, symmetric about the origin. Lastly, we'll conclude with it leaves the graph unchanged with the rotation of 180 degrees.